Here we go. We're going to do a little box and unreel of this car jump and air compressor combined kit. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got inside. Nice little hard case. Got a nice little hard case on there with a little handle. Open it up. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's look at this. Looks like a pair of little working legs. Jumper cables. And the air nozzle. The tire. Jumper cables. And we'll plug this up and see how it works. Got a little flap to protect it. Little compressor. Oh, nice little machine. This thing's got a power button. 62% battery. You want to turn on the pump, press the pump. You can do car. You can press the motorcycle, bicycle, balls, and then auto. Anything you want to adjust to. Put in the car. To start it, just press and hold the little pump. You want to increase or decrease PSI, just press the plus or minus. And power down, press and hold. The bottom of the hose screws in. This is the input power. And a USB to power out so you want to charge your cell phone or whatnot. And on this side here, open that up. That's where the jumper cables plug into. Right there. Pull this out. And then okay. So it's got one flat end. And you notice that it connects, the bottom one's got the flat end. So that's where it's going to slide into. With that plugged in like that, the light's going to flash, indicating it's not hooked up to the battery. Once you hook it up to that battery, the light's going to go green. And then you can jump start your car. I don't have a dead battery, I like that to jump start. So we're just going to have to try that another day. So far, the open box review looks pretty good, well packaged, pretty solid. Can't wait to try and use it. So all you have to do is put an air nozzle, put a tire inflator. This screws in right there. Just got this on here. Nice and tight. It's all set. And it also has a flashlight on there. So let's go back to the original there. Press and hold the flashlight button. This is pretty bright. Let's turn it on first. Flashlight. It's really bright. And it's got several different modes. Flashlight here. Just press the flashlight button. flicker. You got a red flicker. You got an SOS. It's solid. You turn off the flashlight. You press and hold the light button.